Hello friends, this is Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see question answer of The Ball poem by John Berryman. All of you have seen the poem. Now we'd like to see question answer. Question number 1, textual base. What message does the poet John Berryman want to convey through this poem? John Berryman wants to convey that losing one's childhood is a grievous means quite grief, sadness, unhappiness, gloomy, sulky, etc. Loss to the child. So I repeat that first line. John Berryman wants to convey that losing one's childhood is a grievous loss to a child. He compared this loss to losing his favorite toy, a ball. It bounces off into the water near the harbor. Harbor means port. The poet tells us that loss, whatever it may be, is a part and parcel of life. We feel sad, but we need to learn something to bear a loss and continue with our life. That's how life is going like that. Question number 2 is like that. It's a big question. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Intrude matlab मैं अंदर दखल अंदाजी नहीं करूंगा. Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Or money is external? Money is external. What does the poet mean by his expression? वापस क्वेश्चन रिपीट करूं. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude? Intrude मतलब के interference. Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Or money is external. What does the poet mean by this expression? The poet wants the boy to experience the feeling of loss because he has lost his ball. The poet does not want to disturb him in his grief or sadness, as he has to learn that loss is a part of life. He doesn't want to interfere with what the boy is going through, nor does he want to offer him money to buy another ball, because money cannot bring back things we love and lose. Next question. Staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? ये question कुछ पूछा नहीं जाए ऐसा लगता है. But even then, the boy has had the ball for a long time since his childhood. पहला has जो है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस का है और दूसरा हैव का पास्ट टेंस हैड है. Yes, it is linked with the memories of days when he played with it. One can say that it represents his childhood. Now that his ball has bounced and floated away in the water, he experiences a grievous loss. It is a loss of even his childhood, which has drifted away into the sea of life. So next question कौन सा है? What does in the world of possession mean? Very good question, likely to be asked. What does in the world of possession mean? In the ball poem, the poet John Berryman says that everyone is fond of मतलब किसी का habit होना, शौक होना, fond of possessing things. When we love these things and lose them, we feel very sad. We must learn that material things cannot be with us always. It will not sustain with us always. There will be times we have to lose them forever. We have to learn to bear losses as they are part and parcel of our life. Sometimes it may be with us, it may not be with us. अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, उसको जरा ध्यान से आप लोगों ने सुन लिया होगा. Do you think, question number 5, do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out words that suggest the answer. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? No. The boy hasn't lost anything earlier on. The loss of the ball was his first loss. इसलिए भी उसको ज़्यादा अटकता था. The words in the poem, he senses first responsibility, suggests that it is first loss. The boy shakes in grief. He becomes rigid, stubborn, and trembles or shakes as he watches the ball go down into the water. Next question, what does the poet say? The boy is learning from the loss of the ball. Try to explain this in your own words. What does the poet say? The boy is learning from the loss of the ball. Try to explain. The poet says that the boy is learning to cope up with the loss of the ball. His experience is grief and learning to grow up in this world of possession. He learns that there are so many things in life are to be lost and cannot be brought back. It is useless to feel sorrow for it. And Camp, last question number 7. Have you ever lost something you like very much? Write a paragraph describing by your felt and saying whether and how you got over your loss. एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन कुछ काम का नहीं, कि हर एक का अपना अपना अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है. कैम का ही आंसर ही है, मेरा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. My grandfather gifted me a watch on my 8th birthday. I had already learned how to read the time. It was a gift I cherished, I enjoyed, and felt very comfortable with. One day during the monsoon season, I was cycling home from school and it was raining very heavily. I took up my watch and put it in a plastic bag and pushed it into my pocket. When I reached home, I found that it had slipped up my pocket into the water somewhere. I couldn't go to find as there was a water everywhere. I felt so sad. I had lost something I loved very much. It was the last gift my grandfather had given me before he passed away. For days I grieved and cried. Now, with the passage of time, I have been able to overcome my grief. I have many watches now, but that was the first watch I lost. तो दूसरे क्वेश्चन जो एडिशनल हो सकते हैं वो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारे हैं. What message does John Berryman want to convey through this poem? The message that the poet wants to convey in the importance of loss and responsibility in life. We should not forget the importance of possession. ये नवनीत के आंसर है. What message does the John Berryman want to convey through this poem? आगे कैंप में भी आ गया था ये. What message? बराबर. इसके बाद Why did the boy feel so sad at the loss of his ball? ये एडिशनल क्वेश्चन है. Why did the boy feel so sad at the loss of his ball? When the boy lost the ball, he plunged in grief. Plunge मतलब के go forcefully into. Grief मतलब sadness. He stood staring down the harbor where his ball was lost. The boy was affected profoundly, very deeply by the loss of his ball because it had been with him for a long time. It was linked to the memories of the days when he played with it. Money is external. What does the poet mean by this expression? आगे भी एक कैंप का आ चुका था. आप उसको blend भी कर सकते हो, ये सुन के combine कर सकते हो. He makes the boy understand about his responsibility as the loss is immaterial. He can purchase another ball. He explained that the world is full of possession and money is an external item. Why did the poet not offer the boy money to buy another ball? ये भी कैंप में आ चुका था. The poet watched the boy who was plunged into grief at the loss of his ball. He did not offer the boy money to buy another ball. He felt that another ball could not console the boy. It seemed the boy had had the ball for a long time. The poet also wanted to make the boy realize the epistemology to loss. बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, epistemology. बराबर. Epistemology मतलब कि study of the nature of knowledge. Study of the nature of knowledge. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है नवनीत से आप लोग देख रहे हैं. हाउ डज द बॉय फील एट द लॉस ऑफ हिज बॉल? हाउ डज, ये एक्सटर्नल है. द बॉय इज वेरी मच ट्रबल एट द लॉस ऑफ हिज बॉल. ही एक्सपीरियंसेस ग्रीफ एट द लॉस ऑफ हिज मच लव्ड possession. Like a statue, he keeps staring at the ball with his desperate eyes. Should I repeat it? The boy is very much troubled at the loss of his ball. He experiences grief or sadness at the loss of his much loved possession. Like a statue, he keeps staring at the ball with his desperate eyes. Write the sum and substance of the poem, The Ball Poem. Central idea. In the ball poem, John Barrymore tells us about how our childhood can quickly fly by as quickly as a ball is lost, and how we sometimes unsuspectingly must grow up and face hardship like loss. In the ball poem, John Barrymore tells us about how our childhood can quickly fly by as quickly as ball is lost, and how we sometimes unsuspectingly must grow up and face hardship like loss. Next, why does the poet think that it is useless to give the following suggestion to the boy? No use to say, oh, there are other balls. According to the poet, it is useless to console or give consolation the boy by saying that he can get another ball in place of the lost one. The boy had a long association with the ball. It was thus useless to give him such suggestion because he wanted to get back the ball that he had lost. Next question, give central idea of the poem. बेस्ट क्वेश्चन है, आपको कुछ भी लिखना हो यहां से लिख सकते हैं किसी भी आंसर में. Give the central idea of the poem of the ball poem. Central idea of the poem of the ball poem. The poet watches a young boy playing with his ball. The next minute, his ball rolls away from him and falls into the water of the harbor. As the boy watches his ball disappear, he can also feel his childhood slip away. बॉल के साथ साथ इसके childhood slip away, slip में SLIP, हाँ, slip away from him. He feels himself growing up very fast as he learned that loss is a part of every life or everyday life, and that life goes on despite of it. उससे जिंदगी अटकती नहीं. The sight of the sad little boy pains the poet, but he knows that growing up is an unavoidable process. Growing up is an unavoidable process. Last question, today's last question of ball poem. Why is it important for everyone to experience loss and to stand up after it? It is important for everyone to experience loss and to stand up after it in order to be strong and to get on with life. One needs to stay strong no matter how much it hurts inside. Staying strong is the only way to survive. Staying strong is the only way to survive. वो चाहे कोरोना हो कि बॉल लॉस्ट हो. Moreover, one needs to learn to accept and let go and not cling to, stuck to, adhere to, चिपक के रहना. Something that they can never have. One should understand that the past is gone and it will never come back. Bygone is bygone. ऐसा करके आगे जिंदगी में चलते रहने का. Experiences loss sometimes help us to grow up and face hardship like loss. This helps us in breaking all the boundaries in the freedom, and we have to break that cycle forever. So that was poem number 5. Those who feel that this is a very handy video for me, they can share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye from Sanjay Guru.